Hi guys, my name is Omar. Welcome back to another informative video. Today we talk about one of the most esteemed of the international ODI tournament, Asia Cup. Asia Cup was launched in the year of 1983 with the foundation of Asian Cricket Council. It was slated to be played between ACC member countries every couple of years. Till date, 15 editions have been played with the maiden one in 1984 and the last one in 2022. Total 15 times teams have played for Asia Cup together. India have won maximum 7 times, Sri Lanka have won Asia Cup 6 times, and Pakistan have won Asia Cup tournament 2 times. Sri Lanka have played maximum 12 Asia Cup final, while India have played Asia Cup final match 10 times. Bangladesh have never won any Asia Cup till date, but they have played final 3 times. Last time Asia Cup was played in 2022 when Pakistan and Sri Lanka played in the Asia Cup final. Sri Lanka won the last Asia Cup final trophy. The Asia Cup of 2023 has been started on 30th of August and it will be ended on September 17. Hope you like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So take care, have a nice day.